Banking Law Notes by MG Law. Today we will be doing payment in due course and paying banker. Okay, so page number 16. First we will do payment in due course. Okay, so we are doing it first because it will be useful in the protection of a paying banker, which will be the next topic. So first we are covering payment in due course so you can understand it. What is it? So according to Negotiable Instruments Acts section 10, what it says, any person legally responsible to make payment. If a person is legally responsible to make payment, he must make the payment of the amount due in due course. So he should make the payment in due course with the purpose of obtaining valid discharge against the holder. If a holder is having possession of any instrument and he is presenting the instrument to the banker, then he should make the payment. Okay, so in due course. So what are the essential conditions which will provide the protection to the banker if any action is taken against the banker? It is that the he should make the payment in agreement with apparent tenure of instrument, on the face of instrument, intention of parties. Like on the face of instrument, if like in the check it's written pay to ABC 2000 rupees, then it is showing the intention of the parties that the drawer or the account holder is making the intention of paying ABC rupees 2000, 4000, anything. Okay, so the paying banker is paying according to the agreement or the intention of the parties. Okay, the second point is he is making the payment in good faith and without negligence. He is not doing any negligence and he is doing the payment in good faith honestly. There is no ground that the person to whom payment made not allowed to receive, that there should be no ground that the person to whom payment is made that he was not allowed and you the banker made the payment. Then no ground should be like that. Okay, next is person is in possession of instrument entitled as holder to obtain payment. Like the person who is having the possession of the instrument, he has not uh, got it from any finder or any thief, like that. Okay, like he is not the thief or he is not find the instrument somewhere. Okay, yeah, there is no ground that not entitled the amount stated. Like the amount stated is rupees 1000 and he was not entitled to receive 1000. Okay, there should be no ground like that, and the payment is made in money only. If all these conditions are satisfied, then the paying banker who is paying the money, he will get the protection against any action if any action is taken against him. Now we will see who is the paying banker. Paying banker is like whoever gets the check, he will pay check or any other instrument, he will pay the money. That's called a paying banker. Okay, so according to Negotiable Instruments Act section 31, it's an obligation of banker when a check is presented for payment, the banker should pay the check. Okay, he is having that obligation, it's his duty. He is bound to honor customer's check. He is bound, it's not on his wish, he is bound. Okay, to what extent? That he should check that the funds are available in the account. The instrument is of 1000 rupees and the funds are only 500 rupees in the account, then he cannot make the payment. There is no legal bar, no legal hindrance which can stop the payment. He should check that. Okay, so what he will verify when he get the instrument or check, he will verify the signatures, that the signature are matching. He should check the genuineness of the check, that it's a real check, not a fake check. He should check that there is not any stop payment request, like the account holder has made a stop payment request that the following check number should not be paid. Okay, check having the following number. The account holder is not bankrupt or he has not deceased or he's not an insane person, okay, then there is no garnishi order against the account holder. Garnishi order is like, if there is A and there is B. A has given some money to B, but after some time B is refusing to repay the money. Then A will go to court and ask that court to give a garnishi order to a bank in which there is some amount of B, that the bank will not pay the amount of B to B. The bank will pay the amount to A. That's called an garnishi order. The paying banker should check whether it's an open check or a cross check. Open check, the paying banker will pay on the counter itself. The cross check, he has to transfer the money into the account of the payee. Okay, he should check the date on the check. Like, the validity of check in India is only 3 months from the date mentioned on the check. Okay, he should check if there is any material alteration. Okay, um, and the basic thing is like, he should check the balance. If there is balance, then only he can and he should make the payment. He should check the endorsement on the check also. Okay, this all these things he has to verify before making the payment. If he is verifying all these things and he is doing the payment in due course, which we have read before, like these: in agreement with apparent tenure of instrument, in good faith without negligence, person is entitled to get the payment was made in money only. Like, all these conditions, if he is doing that, then the paying banker will be protected against any legal action. Okay, so now we have done payment in due course, its basic understanding, the essentials of payment in due course. The payment in due course provides protection to paying banker. In paying banker, we have seen that it's an obligation of a banker to pay the check when it's presented by the holder. To what extent, like, the funds are available and there is no legal war, and what things the paying banker has to verify, like signature, genuineness, stop payment, account holder not bankrupt, garnish order, etc. Okay, now next topic will be collecting banker, which we will cover in the next video. If you are interested in getting the PDF of these notes, then you can get in the description box or the comment box section. Okay, so let's meet in next video.